Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL specification leaked, and I'm going to talk about the specifications, and I think one drawback is over there in the phone. So let's start the video, and I hope I won't go to jail after this, but no problem. I'm going to show you some promos also that for that I can even get some copyright claims, but I can do that, at least I can do that for you all. So let's start the video. The publication claims that Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL has many identical features as compared to the old phones, but today we are going to talk about that unidentical features which are in the phone and the features which is also added in the phone. So let's start out. My first feature is going to be the upside of the phone which is going to carry out solely radar chip. Yes, you exactly heard that right. Pixel is going to have a radar chip in your phone, and with that they are also going to have a speaker, a front-facing cameras, and some sensors for the face scanning. My next feature is also connected to that what is solely feature. As you know, recently Samsung has announced its gesture controls with S Pen. Now what Pixel is going to do, you are going to use your phone without using your hands, just by gesturing of your hand. That's what solely technology will do to your phone. It will completely ironize your way to use the smartphones. So let's talk about the display of the phones over here. Pixel 4 is going to have 5.7 OLED HD plus display, and Pixel 4 XL is going to have 6.3 OLED Quad HD plus display. It's like give more money and get more features. So which processor they are going to use? They are going to use Snapdragon 855 processor, which will carry out 64 GB and 128 GB of internal storage and 6 GB of RAM in each model, from basic to high. But the main drawback over here is the batteries. Pixel 4 is going only with 2900 mAh of battery. Like seriously, even Pixel 3 was higher with it. I can easily make the phone dead in 6 hours. So the Pixel 4 XL is having the larger amount of battery, which is actually 3700 mAh of battery. But I am literally disappointed with Pixel 4 features. Like they are basically trying to tell you that cash your more money and take out the more features. Like I don't know the marketing behind it, so literally disappointed about it. But they are going to continue with their security models, which is of Titan M security even in Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. Still Sundar Pichai is not understanding that why he gone to court. He's lost, maybe, but no problem. They are Google, much more higher than Apple now. Leave security. Let's talk about the camera, the most important thing for many people. They are going to have 2 rear camera sensors, not 3. The rumors are false. They have only 2 camera sensors. The first would be a 12 megapixel camera, and the second would be 16 megapixel telephoto lens. Google also may going to release the DSLR-like attachment for Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL phones. Photographers, your job is in danger. Everybody is a photographer now. Kuch bhi kar lo. Operating system, the main focus of many tech guys. Operating system Android Q is going to be installed in Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. With the updates of 3 years of operating system will get to the phone. Like here Google launches the operating system, and here Pixel 4 and XL users will get the notification of it. So cool. And even the assistant is going to have more features and into X3 features. Lots of features in Google Assistant, but only for Pixel users. We are a bit of unlucky over here. But what's the price of the phone? It is going to vary around 70,000 to 90,000 Indian currency, which is equal to 1 kidney. And and it is going to launch in this October. So buy the phone, I guess, but I think personally that Samsung is going to be ahead of this, and even Apple 11 is coming. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe me, and please share it out. I need subscribers. You can see over here. Bye bye, tada, see you.